Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ONCI. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. This chart's somewhat tricky from a presentation standpoint because there's quite a bit of perspective that goes into it. What do I mean by that? Well, if you are a day trader and you bought somewhere around there and you were wanting to sell within 2 minutes after buying, then yeah, for you the chart's looking kind of rough. But if you care about the big picture of things, then yeah, I get it. There was a pullback, late day today. But again, big picture, the bulls still have plenty of opportunity to build a higher base. And when you have higher bases being built over longer stretches of time, that's how long-term uptrends are constructed. And really the easiest way to measure the health of the long-term uptrend, as I just noted, is by using the famous 50-period simple moving average, which on this chart, there we go, is being denoted by that purple line there. So keyword being moving. So as time goes by, this purple line is just going to keep on moving upwards like it's been doing and getting higher and higher. So a very simplistic point of view in terms of gauging the health of the current trend is simply put, as long as the price is above that purple line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full control, the bulls are in full health, the bulls totally own the trend. However you can best visualize that, that is what the story is telling us, as long as the price stays above that purple line. And as you can see over the past several weeks, the price hasn't even threatened it. It's gotten close somewhat, and I put close in kind of quotation marks because I guess that's somewhat close, but that's probably stretching it too. But point being, the thing is in a beautiful uptrend, and quote-unquote beautiful uptrend is being defined as just staying up above that purple line. What about levels of resistance? As things stand right now, the party stopped today up there at 0.0115. So 0.0115 going to be that current public enemy number one going into tomorrow and the remainder of the week. But all in all, as long as the price keeps on building higher bases like it's been doing, so it's not like you even have to go to another chart to find an example. Just look at the previous history on this one. As long as the price keeps on building higher bases, then the long-term chart will keep on taking care of itself. So it's all about building those higher stair steps, and this one has been doing a great job of it. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.